This is VCAA 2010 Exam 1 Question 3, and it's an alternative approach to the system approach which I used in the last video. So in the last video I talked about this system and worked out the acceleration of the whole system. This time I'm going to look at each individual mass. So mass 2 has a weight force, it also has a tension force. Mass 1 has a tension force. That's the only force on it because it's moving on a frictionless surface. So if I work out the net force, firstly on mass 1, I get just tension. And Newton's second law tells us that equals to ma, which is m1a. And if I work out my net force on m2, taking downwards as being positive, I have a weight force minus my tension force, and that equals m2a. So I've really got two equations, 1 and 2. If I add equations 1 and 2, the left-hand side, here's my left-hand side and my other left-hand side. If I add those two together, I basically get m2g. The t's will cancel. My right-hand side, my two right-hand sides, are going to be m1a plus m2a. I have a common factor of a, and so a will equal m2g divided by m1 plus m2. I can substitute some numbers because I have a mass of 0.1 there and a mass of 0.4 there. So it's 0.10 times 10 over 0.10 plus 0.40. 0.1 times 10 is 1, divided by 0.5 is 2 meters per second. So that's an alternative approach to the system approach. It's not one I prefer, but it's worth knowing.